In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable time tracking in your ClickUp Workspace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have time tracking fully turned on and ready for you and your team to use across the spaces you choose. Let's start inside your ClickUp Workspace. Look toward the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. This might be your initials, a picture, or a simple avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A small menu will appear, and from there, select the option labeled Settings. This will open your main workspace settings area where you can control how different features behave. Once you're in Settings, focus on the menu running down the left-hand side. This is your sidebar, and it contains a list of different configuration sections. You're looking for the section called ClickApps. If you see it right away, click it to open the ClickApps panel. If your list is long or you don't spot it immediately, use the search bar at the top of the settings area. Type in ClickApps, and it should appear as a result you can select. Clicking it will bring up a full list of all the optional features you can enable or disable for your workspace. Now that you're inside ClickApps, it's time to activate time tracking. In the list of ClickApps, look for the one called Time Tracking. You can scroll through the list or use the search field within ClickApps and type Time Tracking to find it faster. When you see it, you'll notice a toggle switch next to it. Click that toggle to turn it on. This action enables the time tracking feature for your workspace, but you're not quite done yet. Underneath that toggle, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose where time tracking should actually be available. ClickUp treats this feature as something you can control at the space level, which is helpful if only certain teams need it. Open the drop-down and decide whether you want time tracking enabled for all spaces or only for specific ones. For example, you might want it on for client projects or development work, but not for internal notes. Select the spaces that make sense for your workflow. Once you've chosen your spaces, your changes are saved automatically. From this point on, tasks in those spaces will support time tracking, and you'll be able to start timers or log time manually as you work.